Well, hello, second graders. I already missed seeing you guys in art class. So I've had to try to figure out how to have art class with you when you don't get to come to the art room at St. Patrick's School. And I think I have found a great way for you to kind of do your own art class by using Google Slides that you're on right now. And by me making these little videos and giving directions, I'll actually make a video of me doing the steps of what you need to do. Remember, we're doing our illuminated letters. We learned about that a few weeks ago. And 4 of you, my 4 girls, you guys all started with the first step already too. So we're going to get everyone caught up today using Google Slides. So hopefully by now, you have read the first slide and you have started the presentation. If you haven't yet started the presentation and you're watching this video a different way, I should be taking up your whole screen. If I'm not, go get mom and dad and have them help you start the presentation. Those were the directions kind of on the first slide. It's just easier to do the slides that way. The cool way of doing this is each slide is kind of a new video. And if you need to pause in the middle of our art lesson, you just stop at the slide that we're on. And when you have time, you come back to the slides and start with the next one with the next video, okay? And I'm going to show you right now how you're going to move through the slides yourself because you are kind of like the art teacher. You get to go from one next part of the lesson and each video next. So all of you right now are probably on your Chromebook. Maybe a few of you guys are on your a parent's laptop or something at the home, but all of you, no matter what, have a keyboard that you're using, okay? So I'm gonna take my Chromebook here, and the way that you're gonna move through the slides is when I'm done with the video, I'll say goodbye, or I'll say, okay, it's time to move on to the next step. And then what you're gonna do is hit the space bar at the bottom, that's the long one here, or you can use the down arrow right there. Now, if by accident you go too far, you hit the space bar too many times, or you hit the down arrow too many times, no problem. You just use the up arrow to go back up a slide. Now, the way that I have the slides made is when a video is on the slide, it automatically starts. So when you go to the next slide and you see me again on the screen like you are right now, the video will just start all by itself, okay? And some of the videos will be reviewing our illuminated letters. Some of the videos I'll have just my hands, and then my hands are going to be dancing and showing you directions like you're standing around the table with me in the art room. So imagine kind of that, okay? Now, this one Google slide presentation is going to be the entire illuminated letter lessons that you're going to do at home. Right now, I just have slides and videos to get you through this first week. And then next week, you're going to open up the exact same slideshow, start the presentation, and then it will jump down to the new videos and the new directions and the new reminders for what you need to be doing for your illuminated letter project. And I'll remind you which Bible story you chose and all the steps that we're going to do. Now, this project is going to take us maybe 3 to 4 weeks. So maybe all the way through us getting back to school sometime in late April or sometime in May, okay? So here you go. So remember how we move through the slides? We use that big space bar or the down arrow. And if you go too far, you use the up arrow. So that's just my introduction. And now we're going to actually do a little reminder of illuminated letters, just like you were sitting in front of me, in front of the Promethean board at the front of class. We're going to kind of do a quick review there. Then just like we're in class, we're going to move to our tables with directions and what you need to do for this part of the project, okay? So at this point, you can hit that space bar, or you can hit the down arrow to move to the next video.